Once you don't tell me I'll have to wear it, it's all good. 3 minutes 31.47, the Carifta record set in 2011 by Jamaica. Team of Genevieve Russell, Samoya Campbell, Kristen Gordon. Martinique, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, Jamaica, Bahamas, and Grenada.
Hello guys, welcome back to Team Tasty Reaction. Kindly for watching me for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, I want us to watch this race of the young star of Jamaica, the under 20 girls of Jamaica and under 17 girls of Jamaica. They in this 4x100 relays. So kindly guys, let's watch this race and then I'll come back with few comments.
2 4x400 relays. Jamaica 1, Bahamas 1. 2 more to go. The Jamaicans heavily favored here. In the boys 4x4, maybe the Jamaicans slight favorites. The Jamaicans won't have Marcinia Rose in their team. Stopped after 200 meters in the flat 400 final. Taj Marquez White, who will be on the Jamaica team, said he thought he heard a second gun. Stopped, said something to his teammate who initially stopped, then tried to keep running and gave up after 200 meters when he realized he was out of medal contention and it was in vain. So, no Rose in the final, but Marquez White will be there. The Bahamians going in lane number 7. Grenada in 8, Bahamas in 7, Jamaica in 6, Guyana in 5. No Tiana Springer, remember. There are the Barbadians. They go in lane number 3 with Ashlyn Simmons on the opening leg. Sierra Joseph leading off. Up they go. Final of the 4x400 for under 20 girls. Abrina Wright leading the Jamaicans off. Houston going fast on the outside for Grenada. Trinidad and Tobago going steadily. They have Sierra Joseph on the opening leg. The Jamaicans starting to take charge though through Abrina Wright. Into the straightaway they come. Right of Jamaica. Houston on the outside for Grenada still going well. The Bahamians with Kate Marie Hanna. But the Jamaicans with a commanding advantage already. As Abrina Wright hands over to Anastasia Hall. Down the backstretch they go. It's Jamaica. Well clear of the Bahamas and Trinidad and Tobago. Told you there would be an almighty battle for the silver medal and bronze medal. with Barbados moving through in 4th position. They have Kadia Rock, the 400 bronze medalist. And Rock needs to make a significant move for the Barbadians. Anastasia Hall still leading for Jamaica. Makaya Hitchman in 2nd for Bahamas. Kadia Rock, the 400 bronze medalist, makes the expected move for Barbados. The Jamaicans are so far clear. Barbados in 2nd, Bahamas in 3rd, Trinidad and Tobago in 4th. Trinidad and Tobago now have Soleil Frederick, the 200 silver medalist, on this leg. The Barbadians are going away from the others. Anaya Nurse running a fabulous leg, but it's still Jamaica with the lead. Look at the Barbadians close. This is sensational. Jamaica and Barbados in the 4x4. Down the stretch they come. It is Jamaica still. Jovi Rose, the 800, 1500 runner, shrugs off the challenge of Anaya Nurse. What a terrific leg for the Barbadians. And now Shania Douglas of Jamaica chases 4 gold medals like Egan Neely of the Bahamas. Down the back straight away they go. On anchor for Barbados, Ariel Archer. Trinidad and Tobago in the bronze medal position. Off your shot. Bahamas in 4th. That's where the battle for bronze is. The Barbadians will surely have a medal. Will it be gold or silver? Shania Douglas is a fabulous 400 runner, but she's focused on the 100, 200 this season. She has the lead. The Barbadians closing. But it's Jamaica who will hold on to win the under 24 by 400 title. Douglas anchors them, completes the quadruple 100, 200, 4x1, 4x4, and the Bahamians get ahead of Trinidad and Tobago to take the bronze.
Grenada coming in for 5th place, and Martinique will just get across the line to finish in 6th. But look at that, the effort. They put in everything here, Jamaica, to win in 3 minutes 37.75 seconds.
Shania Douglas gets 4 gold medals here. Last year I think she had 3, 200 4x1 and 4x4. Barbados, what a performance, 339.36. Kadia Rock was superb. Was brilliant in the 400 meters behind Tiana Springer. And she delivered a fabulous leg.
Bahamas led for the first 3 legs. Trinidad and Tobago had a lead in that going into that final leg. However, weren't able to hold on. Here's how the race unfolded. Even at this point, but Jamaica started to get going early in this one. As you can see at this point, starting to close the gap on the Bahamas athlete at the end of the first changeover. It was Barbados, Jamaica out in front. Barbados were getting into, Bahamas were in 2nd place. And Bahamas in 3rd.
That leg from Kadia Rock. Tremendous for Barbados. Anaya Nurse ran a sensational 3rd leg as well. Didn't make the 100 or the 200 final. Anaya Nurse in her first year at the under 20 level, but she produced a sensational leg here to close on the Jamaican Jovi Rose and move away from the rest of the field. That pretty much secured the silver medal for Barbados, even with a leg to go.
Yeah, Barbados, that was as close as they got to it, finishing in 2nd. Trinidad and Tobago were 3rd at this point. But as the race unfolded, there's the battle going on at the back of the field. Bahamas just taking over control of that bronze medal spot. But at the front, Jamaica were always going to take this from that position. A wonderful lead going into that final leg. Barbados, a great run from their team to finish in second place.
Double silver for Kadia Rock. Behind Tiana Springer in the under 20 girls 400 meters. And a stunning second leg to put her team in a very good position. Jamaica with gold 337.75, Barbados silver 339.36, Bahamas bronze 341.36, Trinidad and Tobago in fourth at 342.42, Grenada, Martinique rounding out the field. Jamaicans will start in lane number 4. They have Malaya Duncan on the opening leg. St. Kitts and Nevis in 6 with Kimia Phipps starting off for them. There's Duncan, the Jamaican leadoff. Kylie Wallace starting things off for the Bahamas in lane number 2.
One assumes that Kiesra Thomas is likely to figure heavily, but of course the team to beat will be Jamaica.
Shira Stout will be the lead-off runner for the British Virgin Islands. The Bahamians expected to have Thomas on the team, also the 400 hurdles silver medalist Dominic Dean. The Jamaicans do start favourites though. Tremendous depth they have. Final of the 4x100 for under 17 girls. Turks and Caicos, Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica, Grenada, St. Kitts and Nevis, British Virgin Islands, and Bermuda. Final of the under 17 girls 4x100. First relay action of Carifta 2024.
Egypt's Benjamin will lead off for Grenada. Kelandi King for the Turks and Caicos Islands. TCI in 1. Grenada in 5.
Has had a lot of running, Regis, at these championships so far. Let's see if she can put her team in a good position from the opening leg. Duncan for Jamaica in 4. Wallace for the Bahamas in 2. Off they go. 4x100 final on the 17 girls. Fine start for Trinidad and Tobago. Duncan no response for the Jamaicans. Duncan hands over first, and it's Jamaica in charge. Down the back straight away they go. The Bahamians responding now. Jamaica and Bahamas. Trinidad and Tobago with work to do. St. Kitts and Nevis going well in lane number 6. Natrice East on the third leg for the Jamaicans. Looks superb in 200, qualifying earlier today. Here's the final change. It's Jamaica in front. They are well clear of the rest of the field. Pashanadi Blake is it on anchor. The Bahamas coming forward with Thomas. They will be second. Jamaica with the gold medal. Bahamas silver, and Trinidad and Tobago with
Welcome back to Team Test Reaction once more. Hope you have watched a very instant speed from those kids of Jamaica. They are under 17 and under 20 of Jamaica. those are the flying queens of Jamaica. Because Jamaica, when it comes in terms of talents, Jamaica has a talents, and it will not end very easy. So they came out in an instant speed and destroyed Bahamas completely, because it was a race, Caribbean race, and Jamaican kids proved to be the queens of Caribbean, because they came out in strong, destroyed Bahamas, Barbados, Haiti, and Guyanas, and declared the winner in that final. So Jamaica, in terms of short races, that country is really dominating this race for so long time. Imagine, Jamaica has been winning these races over 50 years. It's not easy to dominate those races over 50 years, and they have been winning. So in terms of short races and track, just give Jamaica the medal, because they will destroy you completely. And those are just kids. It's under 17 and under 20. For the next 5 years, that kid will be a world class kids. They will just, even those speed that they can even now compete with those, the youngest, the young countries. So Jamaica, they have come number 1 with long races, and followed by Bahamas. See, Bahamas also tried a lot, because they really tried a lot. Bahamas, they came behind those Jamaicans, and we all know that beating Jamaica is not really easy. In those races, they have been dominating these races for so long time, and we hope in coming Olympics this year, Jamaica will really do the best. Because of what? The last, somebody can ask me, oh, you are just giving credit more to Jamaica, but I know that the last year in Paris, Jamaica lost that race from Richardson, but we know that Jamaica will just bounce back this year. They will just come back, and they will recover that loss that happened to them during that race. So we pray that Jamaica will come out strong, make a history, and also winning those medals, because the winning medal in Jamaica is just a normal thing to them. But when you find a country like maybe United States, those other countries winning the medal, they really celebrating for beating Jamaica, because Jamaica, they have really winning these races for so long time, and they have really dominating these races. So kindly guys, for watching me for the first time, I'm your host Team Test Reaction. Kindly make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. May Allah bless you. Bye for now.